Welcome to video number 5 of WordPress tutorial for users. In this video we will show you how to publish a page on your website. To create a new page, log into your WordPress administration panel dashboard. Go to Pages. Click the Add New button. Enter your page title, and enter your page body content. When you are ready, click Publish. Then, I can create another page with title About. You can add your pre-created content to the pages to customize it as your website. Now we have created Home and About pages for the website. In this video, we have learned how to publish pages on your WordPress website. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Watch next. Finalizing the appearance of your WordPress website. If you like our videos, like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel to watch our recent videos.